Hi, I'm Ricky Middleton, service writer at Jack Burford Chevrolet. Welcome to another Maintenance Minute, where I provide you with information on how you and your family can stay safe on the roadways. Spring is here, and what follows are several seasonal challenges that drivers need to keep in mind. First, realize that a wet road can be just as slick as an icy one. Rain causes oil from passing vehicles to rise to the top of the water surface, increasing the slick factor. Secondly, increase the distance between you and the vehicle that you are following in the rain. 3 seconds is considered a safe distance in normal circumstances. During a storm, increase this to 8 seconds for safety purposes. Next, check your wiper blades. A winter's worth of snow, ice, and salt can beat down your wipers, therefore they may need to be replaced. Also, clean your windshield with good windshield washer to improve wiper performance. Spring is also the time to be on the lookout for potholes. Avoid them if you can, but if not, don't brake while traveling over them. Slow down, then release the brake before impact and go over the pothole. And most importantly, remember to share the road. Two-wheeled vehicles increase in popularity in the spring, so keep an eye out for bicycles and motorcycles. To get your vehicle ready for spring, call the Jack Burford Chevrolet Service Department today, 623-3350, or contact your service advisor. You can also schedule service appointments online at jackburford.com. We're open Monday through Friday, 7:30 to 5:30 and 8 to 2 on Saturday. Thanks for watching the Jack Burford Chevrolet Maintenance Minute with Ricky Middleton, and stay safe on the roads.